This Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system with auto-wick features a new modern design and more functionality than Ninja's original kitchen system. Ninja Total Crushing Blades and Pro Extractor Blades Assembly give you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient extractions. The 72 Total Crushing Pitcher is great for making large batches for the whole family with 1,400 peak watts of professional power, plus its single-serve cups with spout lids make it easy to take delicious nutrient-rich smoothies on the go. Button just stop at drinks. The 64 Oz Processor Bowl provides precision processing for even chopping smooth purees and up to 2 pounds of dough. Auto-wick technology provides preset programs that do the work for you, no guesswork required. Versus BL770 based on the number of available blending programs. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. 64 Oz max liquid capacity. Here are the key features of Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. Unparalleled crushing power. Say goodbye to unevenly crushed ice and hello to perfection. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System boasts Ninja Total Crushing Blades that effortlessly transform ice into finely crushed snow. Whether you're crafting resort-style frozen drinks or icy treats, this machine ensures your creations are impeccable every time. Nutrient-rich extractions. Unlock the goodness of fruits and vegetables with the Pro Extractor Blades Assembly. This innovative component effectively breaks down tough ingredients, extracting vitamins and nutrients for drinks that nourish your body. Enjoy the benefits of nature's bounty in every sip. Masterful precision processing. From chopping to pureeing, the 8-cup precision processor bowl lets you achieve culinary excellence with every creation. Mix, chop, and even make up to 2 pounds of dough with ease. This bowl is your gateway to crafting dishes that demand precision and perfection. On-the-go bliss. Life is fast-paced, and your nutrition shouldn't be compromised. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System features single-serve blender cups with spout lids, allowing you to take your healthy drinks on the go. Experience professional-grade blending performance wherever life takes you. Versatile creativity. Don't limit yourself to just drinks. This kitchen system empowers you to create a plethora of dishes, from dressings and sauces to purees, salsas, and even delectable desserts. Explore the endless possibilities of culinary innovation. Auto-wick technology. Convenience redefined. Gone are the days of guesswork in the kitchen. The auto-wick technology takes the lead, offering preset programs that do the heavy lifting for you. Say farewell to the uncertainty of blending programs. This kitchen system knows what it's doing, allowing you to focus on the joy of cooking. A capacity to impress. The 72 Oz Total Crushing Pitcher is perfect for crafting large batches for the entire family. With 1,400 peak watts of professional power, this pitcher ensures exceptional results every time. Moreover, the 64 Oz Processor Bowl lets you achieve precise processing, making everything from chopping to pureeing a breeze. Effortless cleanup. Cooking should be joyous, not a chore. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System understands that. With dishwasher-safe blades, pitcher, single-serve cups, and processor bowl, cleanup becomes a hassle-free task, allowing you to savor the delight of your creations. Elevate your culinary journey today. Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey of excellence? The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System with auto-wick is your ultimate partner in creating delicious drinks, nutritious extracts, and savory dishes. Elevate your cooking and discover the true potential of your kitchen.